How to find PC password on Windows 10. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily find your PC password on your Windows 10. So just type in or control panel from your search section, and once you're inside here, simply click on this credential manager option, and you can see there are two options, web credential and Windows credential. Just click on Windows credential. You can also view your web credentials. So inside here, as you can see, if you haven't set any password for your Windows credentials, it will indicate that no Windows credentials and not certificates. So based on that, if you have a password created already for your Windows section, you can view it over here in this section. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.